What can we buy with $1 million in Seattle? Hi, it's Maggie. So last year we made a video about what can you buy in Seattle with $800,000. And everybody knows this spring summer market in 2024 is crazy. So let's say our budget is $1 million now, and what can we buy with $1 million in Seattle? And today we picked two homes in Seattle. One is an older single family in Shoreline that is north of Seattle, and then another one is a newly constructed cottage or DADU in Greenwood. So let's see what can we buy with $1 million in Seattle in 2024. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we are going to show you more homes in Seattle area. So the first home that we are going to take a look at today is in Shoreline. Shoreline is actually to the north of Seattle, only 20 minutes to downtown Seattle and like 3 to 5 minutes to I-5. And there is a new light rail station, the Shoreline station, that is 3 to 5 minutes from this house. So $1 million in Shoreline, most likely you are going to find older single family homes. This home, for example, was built in 1948. So originally there's only this rambler that you can see at the front, and then at the back in 2019 they actually added another second level to it. So in total the square footage is 2,690 square feet, and the lot size is over 8,000 square feet. Let's go and check it out. So coming through the front door, it is a very typical 1940 rambler, 8 feet ceiling height. And this is the main living room, really open and pretty big as well. It does have the newer LVP flooring here. Then going through this way, here is a formal dining area. I think it's a really good size. It does need a little bit more lighting because there's no window here. Coming through this way, this is, I think, my favorite spot of this house. It's a huge gourmet kitchen, and it does have newer cabinet and then the granite countertop. It does have newer appliances as well with a ranch hood. So this size of the kitchen, I think, for an older home is really luxurious. And then through the patio door, we can go and take a look at the yard. So the owner puts newer material here for the deck. This is tracks, so low maintenance. And it does have a cover here, so you can actually sit here if it's raining. Really good place. And the yard is over 8,000 square feet, so it's not very flat, but it does have, grass all over, and it's all fenced off. So it's a great place for dogs and kids to play around. Coming through this way, this is their primary bedroom. It is on the main floor. So here is the bedroom itself. It does have, I think this is hardwood, really nice quality. And I like the accent wall here. So it's kind of a focal point of the room. And on this side, they have a huge walk-in closet. And then this side, here is the primary bathroom. So it does have tiles, and it's not very big, but it does have the jacuzzi, hot tub, and then shower room. If it does have two double sinks, that would be great, but I mean, it has enough space, so you can probably add one in the future. So on the second floor, the whole area here was added in 2019. It does have hardwood on the whole second floor, and it does have 2 guest bedrooms, and this is one of them. So the size is similar, but it's a good size for a queen-size bed, nightstand, and some furniture here. And the closet is pretty big with a lot of shelves in it. And in between the 2 bedrooms, here is like a loft area because it does have a big patio door here. is very bright, and on the other side is a bathroom that these 2 bedrooms can share. And what I really like is also have a huge deck here. So the view is really good coming from this angle, and underneath is that patio that we've seen with the cover. So I think it's a smart idea to make it another deck on the 2nd floor. So the home is now listed at $975,000. What do you think about spending around $1 million in Shoreline to buy a single family home with a big yard like this? So the second home that we're going to visit today is actually in Greenwood area. So this is only 5 minutes to 99 to the restaurants and shopping, pretty convenient. And this is a very residential area and good school district, only 15 minutes to downtown Seattle as well. And the home that we're going to visit today is actually a little bit close to the main road, so a little bit noisy. So this is what we call Cottage. So it has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It doesn't have a garage, but it does have a assigned parking at the back. Okay, let's go and check it out. So coming into the house, the ceiling height is really good. It's like 9 feet, and it does have windows on all sides. So the natural light is really good. And the first floor is actually its main living area. It's like open concept, has a pretty big living room here, and then the kitchen and the dining room all in one space. The kitchen is not very big, but it does have the quartz countertop and then a very modern designed cabinet. Appliances is Beko, and it does have a range hood here. Heavy cooking is fine as well. And then on this side, it's a good spot for a breakfast table or a round dining table. I think you can sit like 5 to 6 people, no problem here. And then through the patio door, it's a nice deck out here. It does have a little bit area for, planting, for plants and gardening. It's better than no yard, but you can not really fence it off. But it's a good spot for some gardening, I think. So now we are on the 2nd floor. What I really want to point out is that this unit has engineering wood through all the levels. So on this level, on all the stairs, in the bedroom itself, there's engineering wood. And then each level has its own AC, so you can actually, change the temperature in each level to your likings. I think it's really energy efficient. And this is a master bedroom. You can definitely put a king-size bed here, and does have all those seatings by the window. Very good spot for reading and having coffee. And then on this side, we have a huge closet, although it's not a walk-in closet, but it does have all the shelves and drawers all set up for you. And then on this side, this is a primary bathroom. It does have a heated floor for your comfort, and then double sink, and then all tiled up shower room. I think it's a very good size primary bathroom. And then on the other side is another guest bedroom, and in between here is a guest bathroom. It also has tiles on the floor, and then a bathtub. If you have a kid, it's a good spot for them to take a bath. And the guest bedroom, it does have windows on both sides. I mean, it's not very big, but I think it's big enough for a queen-size bed, 2 nightstands, and it does have a pretty big closet on this side. So now we're on the top floor of this unit. It does have a vaulted ceiling. I think the highest point is like 11 or 12 feet. It does have a skylight and then 2 windows on both sides, so it's very bright. This is another space that you can actually make it as your primary bedroom, because this is a good space for a living room, and then there's a bedroom, a bathroom, and a patio as well. Let's check out this deck. So it's not very big, but it does have the water, and the electricity, the outlet is here. So if you do want to have a party or have a grill here, I think that's very doable. It is a little bit close to the main road, so it's a bit noisy during the day, but I think at night it's a lot better. So on this way, this is the bedroom. Well, it's staged as an office at this time, but you can definitely make it your own bedroom. It does have a closet on this side, and then by the door here there is another bathroom with tiles, and then from the floor to the ceiling for the shower room is all tiled up. I think it's a good space, although it's not very big, but it's all very modern design as well. So this community still has 4 units that you can purchase. So what do you think about spending $1 million in Greenwood area on this newly constructed cottage? So after we've seen these 2 homes, I would say if I was the investor, I would definitely buy the single family in Shoreline, because it does have a big lot, and like what this owner did, right? It added more square footage to the original home, and I think this is one of the best ways to increase the value of your home. But if I am just like a homeowner, first-time homeowner, I would definitely pick the cottage because it's new, move-in ready, worry-free. It does have higher ceiling height, and everything is all very modern. So I think it's more comfortable living in it. So which one would you pick? If you like this kind of video, give us a thumbs up, and we will show you more homes in Seattle area. See you next time.